Actually, the hospitality sector is extremely affected by this COVID-19. It was actually among the worst 8 industry. But I want to encourage, especially Kenyans, do not shun going to the hotels. I've been going to quite a number of establishments within Nairobi and out of Nairobi, and I can assure you that the whole industry has put a lot of safety measures in place to ensure that every client who patronizes the hotel is safe. So I want to encourage all the Kenyans and the visitors who are coming to Kenya to visit and to patronize the hotel establishments, and to ensure that they also comply and cooperate with the operators, with the managers, so that they can ensure that safety is enhanced, and so that we can be able also to uplift the industry, which actually employs a lot of people. Several of them are millionaires and jobless. But with your support, this industry will come bouncing within a very short time. And I really want to thank everybody, several people who are patronizing these facilities, because of your commitment to ensure that these people get the support that they need.